Today we discuss the topic mathematical logic. We know that logic is the study of reasoning. For more discussion of mathematical logic, first we define the term prepositions. Prepositions are a declarative sentence which is true or false but not both is called a preposition. That is, if we consider a sentence, it is either true or it is false. It is not both, then that sentence is known as preposition. Also, a sentence which are exclamatory, it is not a preposition. Interrogative, that is questions are not prepositions. Also, imperative sentences, that is sentences like order or command, warning or advice, give instructions, request, these type of sentences are not prepositions. Prepositions are denoted by lowercase letters. Here first we consider a preposition P as New Delhi is the capital of India. It is a true statement, so it is a preposition. Next we consider another example, how beautiful in Rose. This is a question, so it is not a preposition. Third one is 2 plus 2 is equal to 3. This statement is false. It is a preposition. It is a preposition. And this sentence is false. What time is it? It's a question, so it is not a preposition. X plus y equal to z. This sentence is not exclamatory, not imperative, not interrogative. But we couldn't answer this sentence is true or false. Only by assigning the values of x, y, z, we have to find it is true or false. So, this sentence is not a preposition. Fifth sentence is not a preposition because neither true nor false. This sentence is neither true nor false. Last is take cup of coffee. It is also an imperative sentence. Here give instruction type sentence. So it is not a preposition. Next we define truth values of a preposition. We also know that a preposition is either true or false. So a truth value of a preposition is true or false, denoted by T or F. Either or it is denoted by 1 or 0. If a preposition is true, we denote it by 1 or T. If a preposition is false, we denote it by F or 0. Prepositions which do not contain any logical operators or connectivities are called atomic prepositions. About logical operators and connectivities we discuss later. So here we remind only one thing. Prepositions which do not contain any logical operators or connectivities are called atomic prepositions. And many mathematical statements which can be constructed by combining one or more atomic statements using connectivities are called molecular or compound prepositions. The area of logic that deals with prepositions is called a prepositional logic or prepositional calculus. Now we discussed about the logical operators and connectivities. Now we discuss about connectivities. We connect the sentences by the prepositions and or not. In mathematics, first one is conjunction. P and Q. A statement P and Q denoted by P conjunction Q. If the statements P and Q have truth values T or F, then what is the truth value of P conjunction Q or P and Q? In the truth table, if P is true and Q is true, then the statement P and Q is also true. If P is true and Q is false, then the statement P and Q is false. Also, if the proposition P is false and Q is true, then the statement P and Q is false. Also, P is false, Q is false, then P and Q is false. For example, let us consider the statements P and Q. P is sun rises in the east and Q, sun sets in the west. These two statements are true. We connect P and Q by and. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That P conjunction Q is also true. That gives the first row of the truth table. T, T, T. P is true, Q is true, then P and Q is also true. Next, consider the second row. P is true and Q is false, then P and Q is false. Here consider the statement P as sun rises in the east. It is a true statement. Then Q as sun sets in the east. That is a false statement. Then combining with the connectivity conjunction, sun rises in the east and sun sets in the east, it becomes a false statement. So P conjunction Q is false. Next, consider the sentence P as false. That sun rises in the west. It's a false statement. And the sun sets in the west. It is a true statement. Connect with and we get sun rises in the west and sun sets in the west. It is a false statement. It becomes a false statement. That's the third row of the truth table. If P is false and Q is true, then P and Q, P conjunction Q is also false. Next, consider P and Q as a false statement. Sun rises in the south and sets in the north. These two are false statements. So, if we connect it with and, it also becomes false. That is the fourth row of the truth table. P is false, Q is false, and P and Q is false. Okay. Clear about the connectivity conjunction. Next is disjunction. Disjunction is the connectivity used here is or. P or Q, denoted by P or Q or P disjunction Q. Here the truth table is if P is true, Q is true. P or Q is also true. P is true, Q is false. Then P or Q is also true. P is false and Q is true. Then P or Q is true. And P is false and Q is false, then P or Q is false. Now discuss an example. Consider a statement P, sky is blue. Q, crow is black. The two statements are true. We connect these two statements by the connectivity or. Sky is blue or crow is black. So that statement is true because either sky is blue or crow is black. So that statement is true. Now consider another example. Sky is blue and crow is blue. So the Q is false. So connect with it. Sky is blue and the crow is or crow is blue. Here sky is blue or crow is blue. If one of the statement is true, then the compound statement becomes true. So the sky is blue or crow is blue, the statement is true. Next, consider another example. Sky is black and the crow is black. Here the first statement is false and the second statement is true. So sky is black or crow is black. Here sky is black is false and crow is black is true. False or true becomes true. Next, P, sky is black and crow is blue. Here the two statement is false. So the sky is black or crow is blue. Both the statements are false. So the compound statement is also becomes false. That will give the fourth row. Okay. Next we consider the connectivity negation. Not P. Negation means not P. For example, if P New Delhi is in India, negation P means it is false that New Delhi is in India. Negation P also denoted by this symbol negation P. The truth table of negation P, if the statement P is true, negation P is definitely false. Here P New Delhi is in India. Negation P, it is false that New Delhi is in India. So P is true and negation P is false. Also if P is false, negation P is